Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to add images and media to your WordPress content. Why would you want to know how to add images and media to your WordPress content? Well, maybe it is your first time using WordPress and not sure how to add images and media to your WordPress content. So today I am going to show you how to add images and media to your WordPress content. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Adding images and media to your WordPress content is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all devices. Let me show how you will add images and media to your WordPress content. First of all, open WordPress in your Chrome browser, and now here is my WordPress home screen. And then move your mouse cursor to post in the left menu and then click on add new. Now in this page first click on plus icon and now select image. If you have already uploaded images then click on media library, otherwise click on upload. Now I will select an image from my PC and click on open. And now you can adjust your image like resize, crop, and even you can align your image. So there you go. If you were wondering how to add images and media to your WordPress content, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.